in this upcoming lab, you're going to create a security group in Microsoft Entra ID. However, before handing the wheel over to you, let's quickly walk through the steps you'll take when it's your turn. You'll begin the lab by clicking on the Identity dropdown in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center, where you'll manage all identity-related resources like users, groups, devices, and roles. From there, you'll click on Groups and then All Groups to see and manage all the groups within the organization. This is where you'll create the new security group. To create a group, you'll click New Group. You'll see a group type dropdown, which allows you to specify the type of group you want to create. Since you'll be creating a security group, you'll select Security. Security groups are used to control access to shared resources like applications and files. Next, you'll need to name the group. You'll click into the Group Name field and type Human Resources. Naming the group after the department ensures that it's easily identifiable and accurately reflects who the group is meant for. Now, you'll decide how members will be added to the group by clicking on the Membership Type dropdown. For this lab, you'll select Assigned, which means you'll manually choose the members. After that, you'll assign an owner to the group. You'll click No Owner Selected and search for Chris Green to make Chris the owner. Once you've selected Chris, you'll click Select to confirm. Chris Green will now be responsible for managing the group. With the owner assigned, it's time to add members. You'll click on No Members Selected and search for users in the directory. Type Mike into the search box and press Enter. From the results, you'll select Mike Mitchell and click Select to add him as a member of the group. Mike will now have access to any resources granted to the new group. Once everything's set, you'll click Create to finalize the process. The new security group will be created, and refreshing the page will make sure it appears in the list of groups. To confirm everything is correct, you'll click on Human Resources and check that both the members and owners are as expected. You'll verify Mike Mitchell is a member by checking the Members tab, and you'll confirm Chris Green is the group's owner by checking the Owners tab. Finally, you'll wrap up by clicking on the Overview tab to complete the lab.